We made a whopping. What's good, y'all? What's good, fam? We're back with another video. We're here to give you the weekly update on what happened this week. Let's get it. So we're just looking at the chart of SPY right now. We had taken a trade earlier today, made a little bit of money, whatever. So this is what happened this week. Nothing to write home about. So what's the deal? This week I literally decided to switch up my trading style. So what was happening is I was kind of being super strict with my rules, and even though I was seeing ideas play out, I wasn't really getting entries because my entries were very technical, very specific, and I was, damn, got the pump going on already. Of course, they got somebody roofing over here. Whatever, gotta get your roof done, man. Don't want that leaking. Yeah, bro, we can't leave that exposed, bro. Can't leave that exposed. Maybe I shouldn't be talking to get my window fixed. But long story short, like I was saying, we switched up our trading style to kind of be more fluid and read more price action and just be more flexible with the markets. And so I added in some smaller trades that I allow myself to take to kind of feel out the market. And so yeah, that's why we have a $3.50 win and a $10.50 win. The first trade I took, I'm not gonna lie guys, was not so good, but it's okay. We're here to learn. And so it wasn't that good of a trade. Got stopped out. I took another trade which was really good. It just didn't fill me on the contracts, and so it ended up being a little bit more or a little bit more of a win than that trade that I had lost. So, and today I had that $10.51 win. Oh, my elbow! I had that win today. I just got stopped out because it missed my take profit by 1 point. So as far as distributions go, we have made $149.87. We're gonna go through that here. We made $15.31 off MVDY. We made $48.33 off of ULTY. We made $80.48 off of MSTY, and then we made $5.75 from YBTC. Now I closed my YBTC position, so we'll no longer have income from that. But what do we do with the distribution? So I just want to say, first of all, this is all just financial entertainment and not financial advice. But we redistributed those as the following. We put 20% of that into Bitcoin, 10% in MSTY, 5% into MSTR. We put 10% away for cash, and the rest, 55%, we just put straight towards STRC. See, I'm trying to build my fixed income position right now because it's something that I'd like to really implement in my strategy. I used AI to help me with my long-term thesis, help me with my long-term strategy, and we came up with something pretty good that honestly can give me an estimated annualized return rate of 50% over 10 years. So we'll see what happens. But we're trying to build our STRC position, which if you don't know, it's MicroStrategy, well, formerly MicroStrategy, now Strategies Perpetual Preferred Stock. And what it is it stays in about a 10% vol range. So they try to get it fixed around $100, but I've seen it drop as low as 92. And it pays you right now 11.25% annually. And so that's something good to have in your portfolio when there's nothing to buy. You just buy that and it provides you income. If you're interested in that, go check out Strategies YouTube channel and have at it. All right, one thing I did want to mention real quick is why I'm deciding to accumulate MicroStrategies and Bitcoin right now. So first of all, with Bitcoin, it's my favorite asset, but we have this white line right here. We're on the weekly chart, right? This is the weekly 200 SMA. We are so close. Look at every time we come and hit this weekly 200. Boom, 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 boom. And we're here right now. And if you look at MicroStrategies, not as nice as Bitcoin, but here we are again. And so we are buying. Also, I would like to add Microsoft is in a very similar position here. So we'll also add the RSI here real quick. So how oversold we are on the weekly. Look at that. Bitcoin. Look at that. Oof. MicroStrategies. Oof. So we're in the dumps right now. So I don't know, I'm accumulating. We'll see what happens in 6 months to a year. We're also trying to build our cash position because we're a little low on cash. But beyond that, we're trying to add back to MSTY for our aggressive income. And MSTR right now is something that I'm accumulating because it's below its 200 week SMA, and Bitcoin's close to its 200 week SMA, which at that point, I'll be accumulating Bitcoin aggressively. Oh, and if you're interested in my trades and the recaps and the explanations, go check out my shorts. Check the shorts out. I'm dropping good stuff. I'm giving all my explanation. Anyways, that's all I got for you this week. Again, we made a whopping $149.87 in dividends, and we made, let's see, $14.03 trading this week. So we'll see what happens. Let's keep compounding. Let's keep growing. Let's get it. Peace.